y'all around because they got a little something going. We got a Long Island iced tea. That's what we're doing first, okay? That's your practice.
Come on, White Tea.
The everlasting feeling can't never be too much. This nasty ass Long Island iced tea. He like Tito's. I don't want no Tito's. Hey Queens and Kings, happy Saturday. So I'm getting ready to go out. We're gonna go bowling, not bowling, golfing. We're about to get ready to go golfing. But let me put the eyelash on first and I'll be back to you guys, okay? Just to give you a little more intro. Okay, hold on. All right, y'all. So y'all know it's pretty much OOTD time.
What does that mean?
Basically the outfit of the day. So I got this shirt that say Cloud9 Racing, which I was hoping that it was big enough that I could wear it as like a dress, but it's not. So yeah, I had a whole nother idea that I want to wear. But I got these cargo pants here. I got these from, I think, Rainbows. I got this shirt from City Trend, and I'm not sure which clutch I'm gonna wear. All because I'm thinking about wearing these dunks here to bring out the blue. If I don't do these dunks here, I'm pretty much gonna do the black and white one. So yeah, this is what we're gonna put on. So I'm gonna put this on right quick. All right, Queens and Kings, so we're dressed now. I'm gonna try to show you guys as best as possible, or maybe I just have one of the kids or something. Yeah, I know I didn't come back because I was trying to play around with this makeup and I'm still not feeling my makeup. Still not feeling it. I don't know, something about it. Something about it, I'm just not feeling it. But let me show y'all what I'm putting on, okay? Yeah, so this is pretty much what I'm gonna wear. I told y'all where this shirt and pants came from. I decided to fold the pants like this to give it like a little halty top vibe or whatever going on. And instead of me playing the blue and white dunks, I put the black and white ones on. And I got this clutch here just to bring out the little neo in it. And my face have like, in my teardrops, I have like this navy, the royal blue in it. And on my lips, it's supposed to be like a nude lip. But anytime it's chocolate with a light color nude, it just gives this right here. But we win. I just got it. Jimmy Choo forever. And this is the lip. It is a London. This is a NYX. And then this here, this matte lipstick, Ruby Kiss. This is a spicy brown. That's why I look like the way it's looking. But yeah, so this is our look for today. Well, for tonight. So I'm gonna put this stuff up and then I'll come back to y'all in a minute. Okay, hold on. All right, so I'm gonna try this Twisted Peppermint that I had in my bag. Put a little gloss to it. Maybe a gloss will give me something different. I usually don't do a gloss. I can see why y'all put gloss on top of y'all stuff. Cause I'm a matte girl all day long, as y'all could tell from this makeup. And especially someone never seen me in makeup, so I don't even know how he's not even feeling it. So I found a wet one and call it a day, baby. Wipe it off. Stop playing with me. So I got my phone. Got y'all. Got my keys. Let me start the car up. Let's see. She started up. All this ain't gonna fit in that purse. I don't know why I'm trying to put all in there because it's a clutch. Something else I'm about to say. I told you guys we're going to golf. It's something like Top Golf, but it called, shucks, I don't know, something with an S, golf. I'll show y'all once we get there. But yeah, so this is date night for us. So yeah, got my towel nose now, which I'm gonna put them in the car. Of course, she wants something before I leave. It wouldn't be right if Andre don't want something before I leave. He want a plate before he gets some pizza. Of course, you have to have me to do something before I go. Huh, these are the last 2 slices of pizza too. You got lucky. Oh, so you asking for a little too much, young man. So this is what they call Drive Shack. I don't know why I was thinking of something else. Yeah, that's what we said too. Yeah, you know, there's some golf in there, ain't it? We got to wait 45 minutes before we go in because they packed the night, so yeah. So the first drink is Long Island iced tea. That's what we're doing first, okay? Yes. They already got the top popped off and everything for you. Okay, then.
Shit gonna be getting them the shit.
So now we wait for a new bay now because the number that they gave us, they actually double booked it. So now we gotta wait on another one. Well, these already out there, so I'm waiting on my espresso martini at this point. Yes. Alrighty.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
No. So these first two games right here, it's not really a game, it just kind of lets you shoot and tells you like how far, how hard you hit it. Do you want to play like an actual game against each other? I'd probably say the first one's the easiest.
But this will tell you how far?
Yeah, these
Okay,
tell you how far.
yeah, let's do that.
I would probably say this one actually switches players. And then if you want to switch to the other games, you can switch it at any time. Okay. You press that and then it'll come up here in a second. There you go. Okay. Yep.
Thank you. So what you do? The driver, secure, 7 after. Which one are you
Drive
in?
is when you first hit. These are when you start with.
Shit, get one of them. And your practice. That better be practice. I think you're doing it intentionally. Oh Lord, he does the most. You ain't gonna get it that far. Yeah, it's gonna go out there. You got multi-tape.
Come on, Auntie. That was the other people ball. That man hit that ball. You ain't hit that ball. Bring it back, Auntie. That bitch went to the Wawa. Hit that bitch to the Wawa. Don't fall now, yeah, fall now. Yeah, be right on Australia. Australia building.
Cheers. Espresso martini, they call it. His ass tired now, y'all. He tired. Look.
Yeah, come on, tough ass.
If people don't want to see you miss the whole damn ball.
That's all right. They ain't gonna miss.
Damn, he hit that motherfucker over there. Oh shit. Come on, Auntie. Let me see you hit it. Come on, TT. TT. Take your time. Keep your eye on the ball. You should have thrown that motherfucker. You could have thrown that motherfucker.
Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, ooh, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my.
I'm trying to bust on, I'm trying to bust on, I'm trying to this little bitch, this little bitch, this little bitch, this little bitch, the bass, the bass, the bass, this little bass, the bass, the bass, the bass, this little bass, the beat, the beat, this little bitch, the bass, the bass, the bass, this little bass, the bass, the bass, the beat, this little bass, the bass, this little bass, the bass, this little bass, the bass, this little beat, the beat, this little
I'm tired like a motherfucker there. He done put it on one game, it's just for him and him only, and now we sharing the damn game. I'm ready. He done got amped up, he done got a bigger golf cart. What do they call it? Golf pole or whatever. I don't know shit. The alcohol kicking in now, y'all. Shit. Oh. Oh.
Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a one man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be. Go to my nigga's phone, but you know like that shit be on my nerves when it keeps ringing back to back.
You want all because of me though. That's why you want it. You know, do a little something, a little razzle-dazzle, you know what I'm saying? We did have a great time. Yeah, that's it. That's because your woman. Your woman did what she needed to do for you. You're right, that is a difference.
You right.
When you get a wonderful man, Mr. Wonderful like myself. You
Like Mr. Wonderful like yourself. Oh, Mr.
Wonderful. My own horn.
Oh, two. I got time for your ass tonight. Come on, toot my own horn. Yes. 45 to 35, y'all. So, I ain't gonna be a sore loser. It's okay. Thank you.
Have a great night, guys.
You too. I ain't gonna be a sore loser.
Can't
Okay, y'all, so we done made it back home. And we about to sit out the streets for a while. Post up some. What the hell? Oh, it's some damn spotlight. Let me see. So we about to post up some called Ball Greasy is in town. So a lot of people are gonna come uptown for a while. Y'all know how we did like Mud Bowl. I don't know if it's gonna get that thick like it did Mud Bowl or whatever, but yeah. So that's what I'm about to do. I had him to go get me some ice because we finna drink this nasty ass Long Island iced tea. He like Tito's. I don't want no Tito's, but he bought this kind of Long Island iced tea. I don't like it, but once you started drinking and get it in your system, then you don't even recognize the taste anymore. It tastes like some bad goddamn tea. It does. Like somebody burnt the tea or something. I don't know. That's probably why it was so cheap, because it don't sell as fast. Girl, look at these lips. Y'all can't see. I see why y'all be putting gloss on top of your lips now. Let me see, can I find some music? Because... But I had a great time tonight, y'all. I had a lovely time. We had a great fucking time. Like, seriously talk. That's one thing I can say. Boy, when I say the vibe, the chemistry, baby, it's out this world. Out this world. But, yeah. I'm about to chill, relax some, and get into our world. Get into our world. I hope y'all guys actually enjoy spending the, going on this date with us and stuff. We try to do something different every other weekend or every weekend if we could. But this month here is everybody's birthday month. Like, my mom's birthday was yesterday. Well, her fake birthday was yesterday. Her real birthday is on the 15th. And the reason I said her real birthday is because for so long she thought her birthday was on the 5th of January, and it was always on the 15th of January. And how we found out was when she got her birth certificate. Once she had to start going to dialysis, and that's when it showed it was January the 15th. And his mom's birthday is January the 12th. His birthday is January 20th, and Jasmine's birthday is January 25th. So yeah, it's a lot of birthdays going on in this month here. So yeah. Hey, Queens and Kings. I am so sorry, y'all. We ain't pulled out the camera, or I have not pulled out the camera none while we was up these streets. None. Running our mouth, talking, vibing, having a great time and stuff like that. You know how stuff go by, time go by. It's 2:20 in the morning. Oh, it's 2:20 in the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be or whatever, but I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, I am cute tonight, y'all. I didn't even take a picture. Maybe once I get home, before I get out of these clothes, I'll try to take a picture or whatever. So maybe y'all see it on thumbnail or something. But yeah, so all right, Queens and Kings, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it for real. So remember to continue to be royal, and that your crown may tilt. Even your Chinese sticks may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye, Queens and Kings.